Hi friends, I'm Samir and I'm back with a new lesson about how we use some and any in English. In this video, we will learn how to use the quantifiers some and any in everyday writing and conversation context. The words any and some are determiners. These words are employed to modify nouns. Some and any can be used with countable and non-countable nouns. They represent an indefinite quantity or numbers. There are some cherries on the tree. We don't mention the exact number of cherries on the tree. He has some friends in Dubai. I haven't got any money. Some and any can be used with both singular and plural nouns. Here is an example. Have you got any friends? Here, any is used to modify the plural noun friends. We haven't got any oil. Any is used with singular uncountable noun oil. Some and any are used to refer to an indefinite quantity or number. We use some in an affirmative sentences. As I mentioned earlier in the start of this video, we can use some with both countable and uncountable nouns. Let's go through some examples. I need some coffee. Here, some is used to mention the indefinite quantity of the noun coffee. There were some boys in the class. We don't know the exact count of the boys in the class. I need some help. He needs help but did not tell what type of help he needs. Use any in negative and interrogative sentences. In general, any is used in negative sentences and questions. Here are some examples. She hasn't got any friends. Have you got any milk? There isn't any bread left. Exceptions. In fact, the use of some and any is a little more complicated. Following are two common occasions when the above rules are broken. Some can be used in polite requests and offers as well, such as, would you like some bread? More natural than would you like any bread. We can use some in questions when offering or requesting. Could I have some more rice? Polite request. Common expressions with some include somebody, somewhere, something, and someone. They are all used in positive or affirmative sentences. For example, I need someone to help you. I want to visit somewhere. Common expressions with any include anywhere, anyone, anything, and anybody. They are all mainly used in negative sentences and questions. For example, I haven't got anything to do. She hasn't got anyone to help her. Well, I hope you get this. If you don't, if you have any questions, suggestions, comments, whatever, please leave it in the comment section below this video. I will try to resolve it as soon as I get the notification. Thanks for watching this video and I'll see you on our next video.